The Billionaire Closet Tours, $10 million in designer clothes. Chapter 1. The world of billionaire fashion. Imagine stepping into a closet where every shelf, every hanger, and every drawer glitters with wealth. Not just any wealth, billionaire wealth. These aren't just clothes. They are works of art, rare designs, and custom pieces worth millions. From diamond-studded handbags to limited edition couture gowns, welcome to the closets of the world's richest women. Today, we'll explore what a $10 million billionaire closet actually looks like. Chapter 2. The walk-in mansions for billionaires. Closets aren't just closets, they're entire rooms, sometimes even bigger than the average person's home. Think marble floors, gold-plated mirrors, crystal chandeliers, and biometric security systems. These walk-in wardrobes are designed like luxury boutiques, with display racks, rotating shoe carousels, and even private runways for fittings. Step inside, and you feel like you've entered a high-end fashion museum. Chapter 3. Designer clothes, worth millions. When it comes to clothes, billionaires don't just buy from stores. They often own custom pieces made by the world's top designers. Brands like Chanel, Dior, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and Balenciaga dominate these closets. Each gown or dress can cost hundreds of thousands, especially if it's a one-of-a-kind couture design. Some outfits are literally embroidered with gold threads or rare gemstones, making them wearable treasures. Chapter 4. Handbags as investments in the world of billionaires. Handbags are not just fashion accessories, they're investments. The Birkin is one of the most coveted items, with some editions selling for over $500,000 each. Crocodile skin, diamond clasps, and 24-karat gold hardware turn these bags into symbols of wealth and power. Many billionaire women own entire walls filled with Birkins, Chanel flap bags, and exclusive Louis Vuitton trunks worth millions collectively. Chapter 5. Shoe collections that stun. Shoes are another highlight of these luxury closets. From Louboutin heels encrusted with crystals to custom-made Italian boots worth tens of thousands, these collections look more like art galleries than footwear racks. Some closets feature over 1,000 pairs of shoes, each displayed like museum exhibits. Billionaires don't just wear shoes, they showcase them. Chapter 6. Jewelry and accessories. What's a billionaire closet without jewelry? We're talking about diamond necklaces, ruby earrings, emerald tiaras, and platinum watches, all worth millions. These accessories often have their own private vaults inside the closet, with biometric locks and 24/7 security. For many billionaires, their jewelry collections alone can rival the worth of small countries. Chapter 7. Secret luxury rooms. Some billionaire closets hide more than just clothes. Hidden doors often lead to private spas, champagne bars, and secret lounges. Imagine trying on a dress while sipping Dom, or having a private stylist and makeup team waiting inside your own closet. For billionaires, fashion isn't just about clothes, it's an entire lifestyle experience. Chapter 8. The closet as a status symbol. These closets are more than storage, they are statements. Owning a $10 million wardrobe says more than any speech could. It's a way of showing the world that fashion, wealth, and exclusivity go hand in hand. These closets symbolize power, elegance, and the pinnacle of luxury living. Chapter 9. Final thoughts. So the next time you open your wardrobe and look at your clothes, imagine stepping into a billionaire's closet where every hanger drips with wealth. Every bag tells a story, and every pair of shoes could buy a car. This is the world of the Billionaire Closet Tour, a world where fashion and fortune collide in the most dazzling way possible.